Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Dear students, this is fourth video of our series of videos regarding introduction of books on quantum mechanics. Okay. Actually, as I have said earlier that books of classical mechanics and quantum mechanics are relatively more in comparison with other branches of physics, and hence these books have been saved in my computer in two folders, okay, instead of one folder. We have completed our first folder, okay, and now we are going to open second folder of books on quantum mechanics, okay. Yes, students, this is our second folder of books of quantum mechanics. Okay, now we open first book of this folder. Okay, this book contains 632 pages. Okay, 632 pages book is being opened. Okay, this is the book, that book which consists of 632 pages. Okay, quantum mechanics non-relativistic theory, second edition, revised and enlarged. Course of Theoretical Physics, Volume 3. L.D. Landau and E.M. Lifshitz. Okay. Quantum mechanics non-relativistic theory, L.D. Landau and E.M. Lifshitz. Course of Theoretical Physics, Volume 3, Quantum Mechanics Non-Relativistic Theory, second edition, revised and enlarged. Other titles in this series. Okay, dear students, the same author or authors, L.D. Landau and Lifshitz, have also written these further 9 books. Okay, mechanics, classical theory of fields, quantum mechanics, non-relativistic theory. We are currently on this volume 3. Okay, volume 4 is relativistic physics, volume 5 is statistical physics, volume 6 is fluid mechanics, volume 7 theory of elasticity, volume 8 electrodynamics of continuous media, and then volume 9 is physical kinematics. Okay, quantum mechanics non-relativistic theory by L.D. Landau and E.M. Lifshitz, volume 3 of course of theoretical physics, translated from the Russian by J.B. Sykes and J.S. Bell. Okay, originally this book was in Russian language and it was translated by these two translators. Okay, Pergamon Press. Okay, this is the publisher of this book, Pergamon Press. Pergamon Press. Okay, copyright 1958 and 1965. Okay, meaning thereby first edition published in the year 1958 and second edition having been published in the year 1965. Okay, second revised edition 1965. Okay, now we move to its contents. Okay, contents: the basic concepts of quantum mechanics, the uncertainty principle, the principle of superposition, operators, addition and multiplication of operators, the continuous spectrum, the passage to the limiting case of classical mechanics, the wave function and measurements. Okay, part 2, energy and momentum, Hamiltonian operator, the differentiation of operators with respect to time, stationary states, matrices, transformation of matrices, the Heisenberg representation of operators, the density matrix, momentum, uncertainty relations. Okay, part 3, Schrodinger equation. Schrodinger's equation, the fundamental properties of Schrodinger's equation, the current density, the variational principle, general properties of motion in one dimension, the potential well, the linear oscillator, motion in a homogeneous field, the transmission coefficient. Part 4, angular momentum, eigenvalues of the angular momentum, eigenfunctions of the angular momentum, matrix elements of vectors, parity of a state, addition of angular momentum. Dear students, we do not okay, matter seems to be complicated. Okay, index is given at page number 611. Okay, index is given at page 611. And now we move to the second book. Okay, second book consists of 322 pages. Okay, now we open this book and see what is going on with this book. Okay, second book is being opened. Dear students, its print quality seems to be slightly poor or defective or less satisfactory. Okay, the principles of quantum mechanics by P.A.M. Dirac, third edition, Oxford. Okay, preface to the third edition. Okay, dear students, preface to the third edition was signed and written on 21st April 1947. Okay, the year when Pakistan came into being. Okay, 1947. Preface to the second edition was written on 27th November. No, sorry, students, some mistake. Perhaps 47 edition 19. Preface to the third edition. Okay, yes. Third preface to the third edition was written in the year on 21st April 1947, while preface to the second edition was written on 27th November 1934. And similarly, preface to the first edition was signed and written on 29th May 1930. Okay, 29th May 1930. Very old edition. Okay, so dear students, such as I have also previously stated that such books usually become more beneficial in the shape of a Kindle edition. That is, old editions are reprinted through modern typing technology. Okay, printing technology. So anyhow, that is only the matter of print. Okay, otherwise the contents will not be changed. Okay, its index is given at page number 310. Now we move to next book, which has pages 509. Okay, 509, Grainer quantum mechanics. Okay, dear students, this author, that is Grainer, has written several books, and definitely detail of all these books will also be given in this book, that this writer has also written other books. Okay, Grainer quantum mechanics and introduction, fourth edition. Publisher is Springer. Okay, W. Grainer quantum mechanics and introduction. We enlarge this page. Okay, 75, 100%. When 100%, we will also bring it in center. Okay, Springer, W. Grainer quantum mechanics and introduction. This is the detail. Okay, here students, this writer has also written these books. Okay, quantum mechanics, mechanics 1, quantum mechanics, mechanics 2, quantum mechanics, classical electrodynamics, relativistic quantum mechanics, thermodynamics and statistical mechanics, field quantization, field electrodynamics, sorry, field quantization, quantum electrodynamics, quantum chromodynamics, nuclear models, gauge theory of weak interactions. Okay, all these books have been written by the same author. However, some co-authors vary from book to book. Okay, Walter Grainer. Okay, previously we had pronounced only W. Grainer. W stands for Walter. Or okay, Walter Grainer quantum mechanics and introduction. Okay, copy. Now we see in which year this book was published. Okay, perhaps 1989. We see further. Mm, okay, yes, okay, clear. It has, matter has been solved. Okay, this is fourth edition. Regarding years of publication, it is written that 1989, 1993, 1994 and 2001. Okay, meaning thereby first edition in 1989, second edition in 1993, third edition in 1994, and the current last fourth edition in 2001. Okay, here forward or preface, I think both are almost similar. Okay, forward was written in the year 1989. Okay, preface to the fourth edition was written in July 2000. Preface to the third edition was written in July 1994. Preface to the second edition was written in November 1992. Preface to the first edition was signed and written in July 1989. Okay, July 1989. Now we move towards its contents. Okay, the quantization of physical quantities, the radiation laws, wave aspects of matter, mathematical foundations of quantum mechanics 1, mathematical supplement, the Schrodinger equation, the harmonic oscillator, the transition from classical to quantum mechanics, charged particles in magnetic fields, the mathematical foundations of quantum mechanics 2, Perturbation theory, spin, a non-relativistic wave equation with spin, elementary aspects, identical particles, the formal framework of quantum mechanics, conceptual and philosophical problems of quantum mechanics, and in the last index is given at page number 479. Okay, now we move to next book, which consists of pages 690. Okay, book of 690 pages is being opened. Okay, dear students, this is the book. Okay, quantum mechanics second edition, quantum mechanics second edition, quantum mechanics second edition, quantum mechanics concepts and applications. Okay, full name is quantum mechanics concepts and applications second edition. Dear students, its author's name is again slightly difficult to be pronounced. Noradine Zatili. Okay, Noradine Zatili. Noradine Zatili. Nouredine. Noradine. Zetili. Zetili. Noradine Zetili. Okay. Wiley is its publisher, and copyright 2009. It means this book was published in the year 2009. Then we will also see that first edition in which year. It will be also clear when we will move further. Anyhow, first are contents, then perhaps preface. Yes, preface to the second edition, preface to the first edition. Okay, prefaces will be, preface to first edition will tell in which year the first edition was published. This is the second edition and it was published in the year 2009. Contents: origins of quantum physics, mathematical tools of quantum mechanics, postulates of quantum mechanics, one-dimensional problems, angular momentum, three-dimensional problems, rotations and addition of angular moments, identical particles, approximation methods for stationary states, time-dependent perturbation theory, scattering theory, and then appendix begins, and index is given at page 665. Okay, dear students, contents have been completely visited. Okay, now if we want some information that when its first edition was published, then we should move further. Okay, if we move further, we see that preface to the second edition was was signed and written in January 2009, while preface to the first edition was signed and written, no explanation. Okay, about first edition we have failed in finding in which year its first edition was published, but it is quite immaterial or less important. Okay, now we open next book, which consists, no, I think this is by mistake, above book has been repeated. Actually, students, here difference is that I have saved above book as pages 690, and the next book, the same book, has a number of pages as 691. Actually, these number of pages are in soft format. Okay, we open this book again. Definitely it will be the same book which we have previously visited. Okay, this is quantum mechanics concepts and applications, node exactly. Okay, what is the difference? Difference is of one page. Okay, previous book was of 690 pages. This is of 691 pages. Okay, so I think this first page was not included in previous book which we had and okay, clear, it is quite clear. Dear students, this book has been saved in my folder of quantum mechanics 2 times. Okay, at one place, this book consists of 690 pages, while at other place, that is in present case, it consists of 691 pages, while book is exactly same, 100% same. The only difference is that one page difference. The previous book was of 690 pages. This book is of 691 pages. The difference is only that this page was not included in the previous book. Okay. So such minor things usually happen in case of soft copies of books. Okay. So we see next. Yes, now we what is the matter? Okay, yes, this is 690 and 691. Now we are going to open the book which consists of 283 pages. Okay, let us open this book. Yes, next book is being opened. Okay, yes, Introduction to Quantum Mechanics, AC Phillips. Okay, Introduction to Quantum Mechanics, AC Phillips. We reduce its size 200 150. Okay, Introduction to Quantum Mechanics, AC Phillips. Wiley is publisher. Okay, Introduction to Quantum Mechanics. The Manchester Physics series. Okay, general editors DJ Sandy Ford, F Mandel, AC Phillips. Okay, DJ Sandy Ford, F Mandel, AC Phillips. Okay, just name these are. This is further detail about writers, editors, etc. Okay. Introduction to Quantum Mechanics, AC Phillips. Okay, AC Phillips is sufficient. Copyright 2003. Okay, this book was published in the year 2003. Now we visit its contents shortly. Okay, Planck's constant in action, the Schrodinger equation, position and momentum, energy and time, square wells and barriers, the harmonic oscillator, observables and operators, angular momentum, the hydrogen atom, identical particles, atoms, and in the last index is given at page number 263. Okay, now I think we should move further. Next book consists of 254 pages. A publisher is Springer. Okay, we open this book and see what is going on. Okay, yes, 254 pages. HS Green. HS Green. HS Green is the writer or author of this book, and the title of the book is Information Theory and Quantum Physics, Physical Foundations for Understanding the Conscious Process. Okay, H.S. Green, Information Theory and Quantum Physics, Physical Foundations for Understanding the Conscious Process. Springer is the publisher. Herbert S. Green. Okay. Previously we had only knowledge about H.S. Green, but here it has become clear that H stands for Herbert. Okay. We are still unaware about S. Okay. H.S. Green, Herbert S. Green, Information Theory and Quantum Physics, Physical Foundations for Understanding the Conscious Process. Okay, Springer is its publisher. Springer is its publisher, and this book was published in the year 2000. 2000. 22 years back. Okay. Its preface was signed and written in 1998. Okay, H.S. Green, South Australia, 1998. Okay, 2 years prior to publication, its preface was written. Okay, now we visit its contents briefly. First principles: quantum bits, events in space and time, quantum tapes, bosons, observables and information, quantized field theories, gravitation, measurement and the observer. Then appendices begin. I think it is enough. Now we move to next book. Perhaps I have not opened this book. Yes. 691 pages, 283 pages, 254 pages. Last time we opened perhaps this book at H21. Yes, this book has been seen, and now next book H27. This book contains 187 pages. Okay, 187 pages. H27. This book, No Graham, Marcus Quandet, Herbert Weigel, Lecture Notes in Physics 777, Spectral Methods in Quantum Field Theory. Okay, Springer is its publisher. N. Graham, M. Quandet, H. Weigel. Okay, only first name is easy to pronounce, N. Graham. Second and third name are very unusual, very rare, so I cannot pronounce them properly. Okay, Spectral Methods in Quantum Field Theory. Springer is its publisher. This book was published in the year 2009. Its preface was written in October 2008. Okay, October 2008. That is 1 year prior to publication of edition. Okay. Introduction, review of scattering theory, quantum field theory and the spectral method. References: Okay, applications in one space dimension, spectral analysis of charges, hedgehog configuration in D equal to 3 plus 1, boundary conditions and the Casimir forces. Okay, string type configurations, quantum corrections to cue balls, then index is given at page number 179. Okay, dear students, I am closing this video. Okay, in this video we have seen several books. Remaining books will be introduced in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.